Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So I am really excited. Today is Sophisticated Saturdays and we are going to be doing Christmas in July. And that's hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Now I am going to be linking the Ladies of Elegance down below in the description box along with our channel link. I'm also going to be listing the playlist. So make sure and full watch our videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how we celebrated Christmas in July. So if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Make sure and click that like button because every time you do, you help YouTube to notice me just a little bit more, and that helps me to grow. Sophisticated Saturdays is held every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the best part of this collab is that all we ask is that you bring your style, your creativity, your classy, and your elegance. Now heading over back to the video here, as you can see, I am decorating a tablescape in my enclosed porch, and I had to pull out all my Christmas stuff because today we are celebrating Christmas in July. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music, and then I'll see you in the end after we're all done. Now this collaboration for me gives me opportunity to grow, to learn different styles and techniques, and really just to display our stuff in a different way. We learn from each other and we grow with each other. Remember that it's never too late for you to do a video for us, even if it's last minute. So long as you let Courtney and I know, we will add you to the playlist. Now, all we ask is that you use the hashtag, and I'm going to be placing that in the beginning of the video and the end. Now let's move on over to the table and take a closer look. So the tablecloth was a thrifted item along with that runner. That's an absolutely beautiful runner, and I purchased that at the Goodwill. Now the charger and the dinner plate, that I got from the Dollar Tree. The salad plate was a thrifted item, and they have the little Christmas trees on them. Those plates are absolutely beautiful, and I got those at the Salvation Army. I also got the wine glasses from the Salvation Army and the water glasses that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now, if we look along the back end, the centerpiece, okay, at the back end of the table, and also above that on the enclosed porch, those are all items that I DIY'd with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, if we take a look at the flatware, I purchased that at Target when they were having a sale. And those are in gold, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Now we're going to look at these napkins. So the cloth napkins I purchased at Salvation Army, but then what I did was I took a doily, the white doilies, cloth ones from the Dollar Tree, and then I wrapped that around the napkin along with the napkin ring. Again, purchased at the Dollar Tree. Now I was able to place together this beautiful dining for two on a budget. It looks like we're almost done. We're just going to go ahead and light the candles, and I'll see you over at the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank my sister Courtney from Amethyst Adventures for hosting this monthly collab with me. I also want to thank everybody who participated in this collab, and yes, it touched my heart. So thank you so much. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next month.